Hello guys, welcome to this session. This is our second session. We are going to talk about problems of section 2.1 and 2.2. Let's get started without wasting any time. This is our first question. This is question 2.1.1. The following question will measure your IQ. The first one, which is or are a correct SI symbols? This one is correct. We have no problem with this. How about this? We don't use degree for Kelvin. So this is wrong. The next one, we use S for second in SI symbols, not this. So this is wrong. How about this? We don't have any problem with this. So this is a correct icon. The next part, which is or are consistent with SI usage? This one. We don't have any problem with this. But why? Because of this. We use degree of Celsius. We don't use degree of Celsius with capital C. It is totally wrong. Atmospheric pressure is about this one. This is the data that you must know. How about this part? The temperature 0 degree is defined as this one. But why? As far as you know, we can't use degree for Kelvin, and 0 degree Celsius is not absolute zero or the freezing point of water. This is wrong. You may ask why the fourth one is correct. Yes, you may right, but you must remember at what pressure you're talking about. The pressure is not defined here, so you cannot say the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, the next part, which height and mass are those of a petite woman? 95 kilograms? Are you kidding me? 75 kilograms? You must be joking. 1.80 meter. No way. The answer is this. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which is recommended for a room temperature 20 degrees Celsius? The next question. The watt is the first one. Watt equals to joule per second. Let's analyze the other. The unit for all types of power. No, that's not a correct one. It's not used for all type of power, and as a result, the next one is also incorrect. But how about this one? What do you think? Why this is a wrong one? Because this part must be written as the thing I will write for you. Okay, the last part. What force may be needed to lift a heavy suitcase? Look at here. If you have a suitcase, you'll have a mg. Okay, so if you consider this as 10, let's check with the first one. 24 equals m multiply 10. So the box is 2.4 kilogram. Is it correct? I don't think so. It is a heavy one. The next part, this, we'll write 25 equals m multiply, 250. 10. This will be 25 kilogram. Yes, I think it is a nice one. But let's check these two also. 25 multiply 100 for this kilonewton equals m multiply 10. It will be 25 multiply 100. I think I told you this as 100. Sorry if I went wrong. So this is wrong. How about this? This will be 25 multiply 10 power 3 kilograms. I don't think this suitcase even exists. Okay, so answer is second one. Let's continue with problems of section 2.2. The first one. Carry out the following conversions. How many cubic meter are there in 1 mile? Power 3. First of all, in this question, you must start with the things that are noun. Okay? This is noun for me. I mean, I have it. So, 1 mile power 3. It must be converted to meter power 3. Look at here. This is the last pages of our book I have brought for you. You must convert it. But how? You have mile here. You must write mile here. And the things that you want to have at last, you must write here. Don't notice these three that I have written. You say 1 mile. 1 mile equals this 1609 meter. 1609 meter. But this is not the last thing we're going to do because we have 3 here. What should we do for this? We should power this to 3. I mean, you must power this number 3, okay? And then multiply at 1. Okay. The answer will be this is a very large number. You can write it also as this. This will be your answer. Okay, let's get started with this question, part B. How many gallons per minute correspond to 1 cubic feet per second? Okay, let's get started with the things that we have, datas that are noun. We must convert this to gallon per minute. First of all, we should convert second to minute. So write second here. In this way, we can cross it together and the things that remain will be minute. You know that 1 minute equals. So check this. And for feet to gallon, you must do this. Cubic feet to gallon. You know that. 1 cubic feet equals to 7.481 gallon. Okay. If you multiply these numbers, you will find out that the answer is this. This is the answer. Let's go to the next question. Part A. We must convert this to this. So, if you notice, you'll find out that gram must be converted to pound mass. So, write gram here. In this case, you can cross it, and the thing that remain will be pound mass. But with which numbers behind these two, gram and pound mass? 1 pound mass equals to this number of gram, 453.6. So this has been checked. Multiply. Minute must be converted to hour. So write minute here and hour here. In this case, minute will be crossed. You know that. 1 hour equals to minute. Multiply. So this is checked. The thing that only remains is this? Cubic feet. But we have here cubic meter. So write cubic meter here and cubic feet here. From previous question, you can use the chart and you'll understand that 1 cubic meter, 1 cubic meter equals to 35.33 cubic feet. 35.31 is going to be this 0.0001498. You can write it as this 1.5 multiply 10 power minus 4, and the units are this pound mass per hour multiply cubic feet. This is our answer. Let's go to the next question. Part B. Let's get started with the things that are noun. This is noun for us. 2 liter per second must be converted to cubic feet per day. Second must be converted to day first of all. Write second here. In this case, you can cross it with the second that we have here, and it must be changed to day. If you don't know 1 day equals to how many seconds, you can convert it first of all to hour and then convert hour to day. You say that 1 hour 3600 seconds, and you say that hour here cross with this hour, 1 day equals to 24 hours. So the day check, we have it here. Okay, and the next part is converting liter to cubic foot. Liter to cubic foot. You can use this. 1 cubic foot converted to liter. 28.32 liter. In this case, liter will also be meter. And the thing that remains for us is cubic foot per day. And the number is 6.1 multiply 10 power 3. Let's go to the next question. Part C says that 6 centimeter power 2 year second pound mass and a square foot to all SI units. Let's get a start with pound mass. Write pound mass here and here kilogram, and then we can use this at 1 pound mass to kilogram 0.4536. Year, first of all, we convert it to day, and day will be converted to hour, and hour will be converted to second. In this case, year will be removed, they will be removed, hour will be removed. 1 year will be 365 days, and 1 day will be 24 hours, and 1 hour will be. This second is also checked. We don't need to convert it, but how about these 3 ones? Let's get a start with square centimeter. We must change it in this way. Square centimeter to square meter. Centimeter will be 10 power minus 2, but as far as you know, because we are going to talk about power, we must power this also 2 because of these 2. And multiply inch must be converted to meter. Look at here. 1 inch must be converted to meter. 2.45 multiply 10 power minus 2. So in this case, inch will be removed and centimeter also deleted in previous part. The only thing that remains is square foot. We must convert it to square meter. 1 meter equals to 3.2808 foot. 3.2808 foot. But notice that we must power this to. Why? Because it is not linear, but here we have linear measure. This is foot, this is meter, this is a square foot, this is a square meter. So the answer will be calculated as this: 1.14 multiply 10 power minus 11 meter per kilogram second power 2. This will be your final answer.